Chin up, babe, tomorrow's a new year. Little darling, Arlene signing all the other cheer.